So guys, let's go ahead and take a look to the side menu of the Amazon Echo Show. Just before we move forward, remember to hit the like button and subscribe. We have here some news, trending topics for another time. So you put your finger on the right side of the screen and swipe it to the center. There you have it. We have the first options: communicate, music, routines, smart home, video, and alarms. Turn off upstairs. That's a group of light bulbs or smart light bulbs that I have on my second floor. It's pretty much gonna turn off the lights of the living room on the second floor. Have the option to launch Spotify, set an alarm, do it manually, set volume 3, show me comedy movies to get some recommendations. I love this one. So Alexa is telling me to play Tool. That's good. That's
Okay.
good. That's a good recommendation. Alexa,
I'm
stop.
not sure I. You're the.
Flash briefings. So pretty much on this side, you can actually get some of the shortcuts for many options, for many skills that you can get. Well, not actually skills, tips in order to get more of Alexa. If we go to smart home, we will get this page in which we will be able to see the direct um, devices. Bedroom is a light bulb. Let me actually turn it off. Let me turn it back on. There we go. PC plug. That's the smart plug that I use to with my laptop. Guest room, the other room over there. Upstairs, the group I was telling you. Jean's bedroom. Well, that's the name that I have for this um, light bulb. As you can see here on the top, I don't know if you have a lot of brightness. Maybe you don't. This option devices and groups. Devices, of course, is for the item itself. Some devices are on. We can turn them off or on off. All the items that I have, all the smart devices. I have some off, some on, so I'm not gonna do that, but you can see that here. Let me go back. I can also adjust the brightness. If we would have, let's say, another light bulb that we can change the color, we can actually do it there. The ones on upstairs, I don't have the option. Okay, Jean's bedroom should have it. Most likely it's gonna let me do it on the app itself. Yeah, let's actually try it. Alexa, turn Jean's bedroom red. Let me show you. Alexa, turn Jean's bedroom white. Alexa, turn Jean's bedroom green. Alexa, set brightness to 100. Alexa, set Jean's bedroom purple. Alexa, set Jean's bedroom cool white. Okay, I show you that. Let me go ahead and adjust the brightness. I had it like in 70%. It's more than enough. Okay, let's hit the option smart home. By the way, guys, this is the Echo Show first generation, just in case have not seen that before. Now, if I hit groups, yeah, you will be able to see all the groups that you will have in your account. In my case, I have several. Like the room, my mom, bedroom, upstairs. Not that much, just four. Uh, let's keep going. Let's go back. Home. Yo-Yo Senki. Tanja von de Gurechaf. Music. If I hit music, we will see our recently played songs. My case from Spotify. Okay, some guilty pleasures I have here. The first one, sorry, second and third. This is Tool, of course. Good playlist. Madonna. Uh, that girl that sings Dance Monkey, I don't remember her name. Now we got some good stuff. Linkin Park, POD, the samples. Well, I'm not really used to these guys, but that's pretty much for my alarm. And what I love most, Opeth. Opeth. Then we have Sergio Ramos, The Regulator by Clutch. Pretty much like the thing that I like the most from The Walking Dead. That's a song that was in the second season. Not sure which episode. I think 6. Pretty could be 3 Days Grace, Death, POD, Matrix Reloaded, Opeth, 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 Dream Theater, Bonnie Pink, Chihiro Nitsuka. Yeah, some stuff. Video, what do we have there? Our apps. Hulu, Netflix, Prime Video. There's gotta be like Crunchyroll, perhaps. I don't know. I don't see it. Interesting. Okay. There should be the alarms that I actually tell Alexa to set my, let's say, like Voicely. I have a couple of routines, so maybe that's the reason that they're not showing up there. There we go. Work and weekends. Screen time. No. So okay, that's pretty much it. Some of the side options that we have on the side menu of the Amazon Echo Show. Let me know what you think. If you have any other suggestions, take care and let's see you in the other video. And as well, remember to hit the like and the subscribe button before you leave. It's really appreciated, your support. Or if you want to take a look to my Patreon or buy me a coffee pages, that would be more than glad. Take care.